Hello everyone! Do you like eating vegetables too? Then let's get cooking. Here's another quick and delicious vegetable recipe that you may want to try as well. So let's start by prepping all our ingredients, guys. And here I have my green and yellow zucchini here. I've never seen yellow zucchini before, guys. Only in New York. So you can cut all your vegetables just the way you like it, guys. But for me, I just want cutting them in uniform. Just like this, guys, as you can see. And same thing with my bell peppers. Here I also have yellow and red bell peppers. This is gonna be delicious, guys, and I'll tell you later what's the secret for this recipe. So like I said, I'm just cutting them in uniform. And here, guys, I'm just using just a half of a yellow onion. So while I'm doing all of this, my pan is already nice and ready. Let's saute our onions. And guys, I'm only using a little bit of oil. Olive oil is always best for me because it's my favorite. And now let's add our minced garlic. We just cook it down until it's a little brown. And now let's add our black pepper. And also our Knorr chicken cube. And I'm just making sure, guys, that it's nicely melted. I'm just releasing all the flavors, guys, from our onions and garlic. It smells good. Now it's time to add our bell peppers. And here's my yellow peppers. And I'm using high heat, guys. My red peppers. And my yellow and red zucchini. And wow, look at that, guys. We have a nice colorful vegetables right here. A nice color contrast. So we just keep on stirring and cooking it, guys, for a few minutes. And here's the secret, guys. This is what I'm using. I'm using Jamaican style jerk marinade. This will make our vegetables delicious and nicely seasoned. Use what you have, guys. It's either jerk marinade or a seasoning. All the seasonings that I like, guys, is already in this marinade. That's why I like using this, guys, when cooking any meats or even vegetables. Let's continue cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes more. And this is it, guys. Now we have a delicious and healthy side dish vegetables. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and until next time.